how to fix Honor of Kings failed to upgrade resource pack. Here's what you want to do. I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you just want to go to your phone settings, and right here we'll just use the search bar to search for iPhone storage. So you'll just click on iPhone storage and you want to find the app from within your storage here. Click on the app itself. You want to offload the application, and once you have offloaded it, this button is going to become reinstall, and you just want to click on reinstall. If that doesn't work, one more thing that you can do is right here you just switch over to Wi-Fi. If you're using mobile data, make sure you switch over to Wi-Fi, and vice versa. If you're using mobile data, try switching over to Wi-Fi and see if that fixes the issue. Make sure the connection is stable. And the very last thing that I can suggest doing is just simply restarting your phone. So you just restart your phone, and that is going to fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.